In this drive, we are trying to see how the stray cattle, which are a major nuisance, which are stray on the road at night, found very difficult for all the commuters, especially the bikers, the two-wheeler, the four-wheeler drivers, to spot them. This ends up in not only harming the animals, but this accident sometimes also is actually fatal to even the human beings, the car drivers, the bike drivers, the pillion riders. So we've taken this unique initiative of today's drive of these reflective collars. So about 100 reflective collars we will be putting around the cattle, the stray cattle around this Amona, Naveli, extended up to Sakli, and on this side up to Marcel village. So we are joined here by some of our key stakeholders, our the Maina Dairy Association members. Mr. Shivanand Naik is with us, Mr. Sundar is with us. So they have been wholeheartedly supporting us on this drive. We also have our ESI from the traffic cell who is also joining us in this noble drive. So my full-hearted thanks to the entire team, my team of volunteers, my fellow colleagues who have joined us again in this drive voluntarily. So big thanks to them.
Drivers, two-wheelers स्पेशली और फोर-व्हीलर्स के लिए जो कि रात में वो स्ट्रे कैटल को आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं रिफ्लेक्टर बेल्ट के कारण. दिस विल रिड्यूस रोड एक्सीडेंट्स एंड फैटेलिटीज ऑन द रोड.